Wadaruma, Brasini Boom, I'm saying, Mrs. Champa.
Okay.
And now Wadaruma, I'm saying, now Sampa Mine, no fine, Nippon Preoccupy. Wadaruma, Brasimo, and clearly from Amas, I'm saying, the minimum in Yagris, Amas, and clearly that is where we are as we speak today.
Okay. And then
back court, right from the one that the ruling. The ruling now, the ruling was given by Santa Mancha and part to let Samgba and Sampa Mine.
Okay.
The B.R.H region House of Chiefs, so many documents in the CD form about the national House of Chiefs or document, you know. Time and again, Mafama, no, Sebi, Ekikashimo, we came back to the court. Yeah, back court in the B.R.H regional House of Chiefs near and say, the B.R.H region House of Chiefs, sorry, the B.R.H region House of Chiefs. You may say, Omaba for state execution, but the state execution was following the Sunyani jurisdiction. And Sarmodua to be following. Kumasi said state of execution. The state of execution as a chairman said to let some Gyafla ni document no Emma Omonfa regional House of Chiefs. Sorry, Emma the national House of Chiefs. Emma document Emma gazette no entry so. By a court no court ni say near B.R.H regional House of Chiefs. Sebi na do mahin and order no sebi or sechi na sumahin sechi. The court had dismissed their motion that law is not grounded in law. It's unmeritorious and it's unacceptable. And for that matter, they should ensure that the right thing is being done, that the court will ensure to let some of the platform, the national House of Chiefs will be, you know, it will be taken to the national House of Chiefs for him to be gazetted.
Okay. And so you know, court no said the work and watch them say rather than now, Jonas and Ronald Jonas, so one more on cats and Emmanuel Fana and national. Everywhere and idea or the Emra to Swana.
Or Sandy Mrat, so what Sheppy face said, Nodi can Sana or that's what your can say, once I said, mobile, Omba said there should be state execution. The state execution is a so say court no and granted that state execution. And so chimu, excess and pampa, champa, sabi, or hemba media, say, ya, master state execution, we station in the group. You station in the group. You have to explain that grounds, that reason. Champa, the documents in the car, ABR. Since I'm so say, and once you are not able to grant your case in law, that indeed, if the state of execution is granted or is not granted, it will affect you. You could not replication of replication. And for that matter, when they fail to announce that replication, the court says, look, your application is not fair, it's unacceptable, and for that matter, it will not be granted. And so they dismiss the application. Dismiss the application right. For now, it's not about now. You have to send the document. You have to send the document. You have to send the document. But notwithstanding somebody said that almost sending document, and the contempt case will still be attended to. You will still come back to the contempt case for it to be attended to. Okay? Do you understand what we are saying? And clearly that was the ruling today. So the ruling is the fact said Ashanti-Man has ruled supreme. And Ashanti-Man has won. And clearly all those bloggers, all the young boys out there who don't understand history and who don't understand law to accept the fact that this is the law. And for that matter, nobody, we are telling the Inspector General of Police, IGP Yohono, you are victimized. You are victimized. And then you are the IGP. Omu Shebi, Omu Shobia, Omu Shebi, Omu Titubia. You are a man of peace, a man of principle. Ibrahim, you are from Bana, so speak the truth. We are not saying, we are not begging you to defend us. We are telling you that speak the truth. The laws of this country are spoken, and the laws of this country has been declared that to let someone just fly over a lot of Sampa. And for that matter, the decision, the arbitration, that Ashanti-Man, you know, Ashanti-Man, it's so son. And nobody can change that position.
Now, that your appeal is one sense.
Exactly.
I still of execution. Yeah. Court one ball. Road House of Chiefs led by another by or more ST of execution at all. What about appeal like it is?
So for now, you see for documents in the court. It's the documents in the corner gadget in the panel. That is it. Say who appeal now if you a basha and power and your man in a woman. Now there's a DNA test proof that your man in a woman. Say no one is having come and maybe you. So for now, the ruling of the court, the fuck you create DNA test we not DNA test in church and put your mammy back. I'm not part of your family. For now, the leadership, Sebi, or Ban Munyam for or the Madisha, or can say to me transfer contempt, Nisha and Champa, Nanado Mahine, Nipapa. And it's lawful.
Wow.
It's lawful. There's nothing wrong with that. On somewhere, because on somewhere, we have to explain it now. And to on somewhere, it's up to the Chief Justice to nominate a trial judge. All right, no better assumption for the contempt case to be here, to be pursued, and we are going to pursue it. But for now, we are saying to let someone Gyafla has been vindicated. Asanteman has been vindicated, and Asanteman has won, and that is the authority right now as we speak.
Okay. But as now, appeal the chain on
so for now, the appeal is done on arrival. Your time about appeal not to let somebody fly a gazette. What are you coming to appeal for? Oh, it's moot. It's done on arrival. It's moot. It will be moot. You are the end of the day, say still execution here by Mudia. Nanka Yabaka here appeal. But for now, now the call we are so clearly, technically, lawfully. Nothing is over. Everything is over. Everything is over. Oh, of course, there's nothing in there to let somebody has won and Asanteman has won. And clearly that's the authority today as we speak.
Sanity.
Can we be checked for? Oh, well, they can say some of one say, man, passing Nasi. Ghana phone say, Nasi. Your money and your mamre, your Mel Kumanum, and they should not forget the fact the 1959 bill of the Bona Half region. The 1959 bill. The 1959 bill was the say, Sebi, Yatiti. Crew the manta when I say Bonafo. And then just say Obi or Yamfo and so much Sante. And then just Obi or I prefer the Quanta. What I say, Anabana, Anadi baby, Anasampa, and some Asanteman. Very clear. Pontia shall obey the day. Well, yet the day now he can't send our social media. But here is the forum. Okay, count 70 you have no option than to come here and power 7 out to see what can Sebi. This is the forum to come to attach it. You have come here and the Lord has spoken that indeed, Senate here, and in the can't share Bonafo, and now the Bon region, of course, say this is the ruler of the court, and nothing will change. They should be humble, and we should show respect to each other in this country, and we have to make sure, we will demand accountability from the political class. Omo, and idea Muka, they should demand political accountability. Otun for Sebi, Yamika share, on you be at war. Namobru. And I said, they should demand accountability from the political class. And for that matter, there must be that sincere authority. There must be fairness. For now, Asanteman has won. For now, to let somebody fly the overlord. For now, the court have said, the Bon Regional House of Chiefs. They should bring the document. So what is over? Of course, you about to.
I brand here, President Sarmodua.
Yeah.
Said one and
yeah.
The representative.
There's that gentleman. Yeah, that guy. What's the name? What's the name? Yeah, of course. I think Mamuling, right? That's the name. I think I saw him here. And for that matter, so Babi. And to buy, of course. So he should go out there. Of course, no, don't go and lie. And don't go and incite people that look. It's lies. And and a document and a people keke. There's nothing like people keke. The authority on the people will determine, and that is why when the trial judge was making the ruling, he made cases of being versus Assemblies of God Church. He relied on this authority, and he relied on the Republic versus Kumasi Traditional Council, and these are the authorities that he relied on before he gave that judgment. And for that matter, if someone gave a judgment, you are joking. And for that matter, of course, that is why we are Ghana. And so you understand where you are coming from, you should understand who you are, and appreciate the position of the law. And so, and for that matter, you should accept. No one can tell me bloggers here. This is the ruling. This is the ruling, and nothing can change.
The B.R.H House of Chiefs, and also representatives.
Well, yeah, I think Lawyer Chiang was there. I respect him a lot, but however, Lawyer Chiang was trying to abuse the law. Of course, because in a sense, he knew very well. Say what the law no to say. Of course, it was water that he was presenting, but I respect his view. However, he knew very well that the canvas he was canvassing on the Section 14 of the Chieftaincy Act. He knew very well that the Section 14 Act that he was canvassing, of course, has been included in the wisdom of the trial judge that he gave the ruling. And for that matter, I of course, I respect him. But however, the presentation that he gave was hollow, with a great respect. All right, near can say that we are saying that Asanteman say, and Tiania transfer Ghana, and Brasimu Gumu, Nasabi, young Koso, Nayan Trims in a bay, Ghana Bedi, Nina Bedi, but as a now talk about Kumana. And I thought I said, yes, here, you have to show respect. I have to respect you. I have to respect you. I have to show respect to all my brothers. Time and again, here we are with them. I have to show respect to them. If I don't show respect to them, they will not also respect me. And sanity, young Koso, and for Ubuni and DJ, and the way we are saying, and the Ghana for you now say.